Welcome to the best picks. The best wireless dash cam is probably one of the most sought-after car accessories for drivers who value safety and security, ensuring that you're always prepared for unexpected events on the road. This advanced technology provides a seamless and discreet way to record your driving experience, offering high-quality video footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle, without the hassle of tangled wires. This video will dive into the top features, benefits, and considerations to help you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect wireless dash cam for your needs. Number 5. REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam. It records in Ultra HD 4K and FHD 1080p simultaneously. This ensures you capture crucial details like license plates and road signs, even from a distance. With its large aperture and HDR/WDR technology, it captures clear footage even in low-light conditions. Important details are always visible. Connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to view, download, and share videos easily. Manage it all through the user-friendly app. It has a built-in GPS that records your route, speed, and location. This data provides extra evidence in case of an accident. It features loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking mode, hardware kit required. Important footage is always saved. It comes with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 technical support. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. It boasts 4K plus 1080p resolution for crystal clear footage and superior night vision, capturing details even in low light. The built-in GPS tracks your location and speed, providing extra evidence in case of an accident. If you need high-quality video and precise location data, this is the dash cam for you. Number 4. WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dash Cam. Experience breathtaking detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large 12-inch display drastically reduces blind spots, improving safety. It boasts a wide 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lens view, minimizing blind spots. The smart split screen shows both views simultaneously for enhanced awareness. This dash cam features upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce glare and WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting in any condition. Enjoy clear images day and night. The built-in GPS accurately records your location and driving data. Easily review your journey and driving details later. It offers 24/7 parking surveillance using time-lapse recording to save power and storage. A hardwire kit is needed for this feature. Enjoy reliable performance with the upgraded USB-C port, eliminating restarts and overheating. It also offers streaming media rear view and adjustable viewing angles. What we like. With its large 12-screen and wide viewing angles, it offers superior visibility and reduces blind spots. The parking assist feature provides added safety and convenience. If you prioritize a large, clear display and enhanced safety features, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The 12-view display is very sharp and clear. The wide-angle lenses show everything and more, the GPS is accurate, and the rear-facing camera works very well, especially if you hook up the wire to the backup light so the unit displays the adjustable backup lines. Very useful in parking lots. The quality of video 4K is exceptional. The images are crisp and detailed, making it easy to identify license plates or other important details in the recordings. The 12-inch touchscreen is large enough to clearly see what is happening and navigate the configuration menus easily. Number 3. VANTRUE N4 3-channel Dash Cam. It simultaneously records the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle in stunning 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution. This provides complete coverage and protects you from any liability issues. When using the front and rear dual recording mode, it captures crystal clear 4K footage from the front and 1080p from the rear. The rear camera's 360 degrees adjustability makes it perfect for any vehicle. Switch to front and interior dual recording mode for high-resolution 1440p footage of both areas. The adjustable interior camera provides optimal viewing, ideal for rideshare drivers. It boasts a high-performance Starvis CMOS sensor and infrared LEDs for clear night vision. It automatically adjusts exposure in low-light conditions, ensuring clear footage day or night. With parking mode, it continuously records while parked, switching to low bitrate to maximize recording time. Motion or collision detection will trigger recording automatically. It's powered by a supercapacitor, making it resistant to extreme temperatures and extending its lifespan. It can withstand temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The built-in G sensor detects collisions and automatically locks the footage. Loop recording ensures continuous recording by overwriting older files. It's easy to install and use, and comes with an 18-month warranty and 24-hour email support. Firmware updates ensure it stays up to date. What we like. This dash cam features 3 channels for front, rear, and interior recording, providing comprehensive coverage. The 4K front camera captures incredibly detailed footage, while the IR night vision ensures clear recordings even in complete darkness. If you need complete vehicle coverage and superior night vision, this is the dash cam for you. What people say. The standout feature is undoubtedly its 3-channel simultaneous recording capability, providing comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, the interior cabin, and the rear. Video quality is consistently impressive across all 3 channels. The clarity is excellent, allowing for detailed capture of license plates and other crucial details. Even the cabin-facing night vision camera performs remarkably well, providing clear recordings even in low-light to pitch-black conditions. The video quality is very good. The videos are MP4 format, so that is handy and easy, and events get stored in a separate folder to locate easily. All cameras have good quality, the front is the best of course. The mic quality is outstanding and the LCD screen is fairly large for something like this. Number 2. Biuone A20 Dual Dash Cam. This dual dash cam provides front and rear coverage, ensuring you capture every detail of your journey. It's easy to install and use, making it perfect for drivers of all skill levels. With its advanced night vision capabilities and wide-angle lens, it captures sharp, clear footage even in low-light conditions. See everything, day or night. It features loop recording with a 32GB card, so you never have to worry about running out of space. It continuously records and overwrites older footage. This dash cam is designed for simple installation. The suction cup mount makes it quick and easy to attach to your windshield, and the intuitive controls are simple to use. The built-in G sensor automatically detects and locks crucial footage in case of an accident. Your driving data is always protected. It offers multiple recording modes, including front-only and dual-camera recording. It's a reliable and durable device built to withstand various driving conditions. Connect it to your reverse lights for an automatic parking mode. This provides additional security when parked. What we like. It's easy to install and use, with a simple plug-and-play design. The loop recording feature ensures continuous recording without storage issues. If you value simplicity and ease of use, this is a great option. What people say. Clear video quality from both front and rear cameras, even at night. Easy to install and gives peace of mind while driving. This camera set have all mission-critical functions such as recording for both front and rear, lock file, play on demand, looping processing, motion detection and shock-activated recording, night vision, HD photo and video quality, at very decent 1080p rating, ability to set recording at full time or only when driving modes, for display options for front and rear cameras, plus all other standard functions like waterproofing for the rear camera. Everything you need is included, slap on your window and plug it in. Number 1. 2.5K Mini Dash Cam. This dual dash cam provides 2.5K front and 1080p rear recording, ensuring you capture every detail of your journey. Its compact design won't obstruct your view. It features a wide-angle lens and WDR technology for vibrant, clear videos, even in low-light conditions. Experience superior night vision. A 32GB SD card is included, so you're ready to record right away. Installation is a breeze, with 2 mounting options and helpful accessories included. It offers loop recording, automatically overwriting older footage. The G sensor locks important videos in case of an accident. The parking monitor function automatically records if your car is bumped while parked. It also includes additional features like voice recording and photo capture. We offer 24/7 online technical support and replacement parts. We're here to help with any questions or issues you may have. What we like. This compact dash cam offers 2.5K plus 1080p resolution without obstructing your view. It includes a parking monitor to capture events while parked. If you want a discreet, high-quality dash cam with parking monitoring, this is a great choice. What people say. Amazing picture quality, easy to install, works great. Has a memory card and functions perfectly. I hardly see it in my car. The front camera video quality is good during the daytime. The recordings from the rear camera were laggy and blurry initially. And then for no reason, they just became normal after a few days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.